Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Understanding and handling mouse events in Giants Engine with Lua, Giants Software Forum. This tutorial provides a comprehensive guide to handling mouse events within the Giants Engine, commonly used in games like Farming Simulator. We'll cover common issues, especially those encountered when using Lua, and offer practical code examples to get you started. 1. Introduction, Mouse Events in Giants Engine. The Giants Engine provides a framework for capturing and responding to mouse input. Lua scripts can be used to listen for mouse events like clicks, movements, and scrolling, allowing you to create interactive elements within your mod. These events are often used for interactive user interfaces, UIS buttons, sliders, text boxes, and other UI elements controlled by the mouse. In-game object interaction, selecting objects, rotating them, or manipulating them in other ways using the mouse. Custom camera controls, implementing custom camera movements based on mouse input. Debugging tools, drawing shapes, displaying information, or triggering actions based on mouse clicks for debugging purposes. 2. The basics, registering and handling mouse events. The primary function for registering a mouse event handler is add-input-event. This function takes 3 arguments. Callback function name, the name of the Lua function that will be called when the mouse event occurs. Event name, the specific mouse event you want to listen for. Common event names include mouse_button_left, left mouse button click. *mouse_button_right, right mouse button click. *mouse_move, mouse movement. *mouse_wheel, mouse wheel scroll. *input source, optional argument that allows you to specify which devices you want to capture input from. Keyboard mouse is the one we want. Here's a basic example. Explanation *. 1 on left mouse button click, X, Y, *. This function is called whenever the left mouse button is clicked. It receives the X and Y coordinates of the mouse cursor as arguments. 2 on mouse move, X, Y, DX, DY, *. This function is called every frame the mouse moves. It receives X, the current X coordinate of the mouse. Y, the current Y coordinate of the mouse. dx, the change in the X coordinate since the last frame. dy, the change in the Y coordinate since the last frame. 3 on mouse wheel, delta, this function is called when the mouse wheel is scrolled. It receives delta, which indicates the amount the wheel was scrolled, positive for up, negative for down. 4 load, this function is called when your mod is loaded into the game. Inside it, add-input-event registers the event handlers. This tells the engine to call the specified Lua functions when the corresponding mouse events occur. The final argument keyboard mouse makes sure these events are only coming from that specific input device. 5 unload, this function is called when your mod is unloaded. Crucially, it uses remove input event to unregister the event handlers. Failing to do this is a common source of errors and crashes. 6 add mod event listener, load, and add mod event listener, unload. These lines register the load and unload functions to be called at the appropriate times by the Giants Engine. 3. Common issues and solutions. Crash on mod unload. The most frequent problem is forgetting to remove input event in the unload function. If the game tries to call a function that no longer exists because the mod has been unloaded, it will crash. Always unregister your event handlers in the unload function. Asterisk incorrect event name asterisk double check the event names. Mouse underscore button underscore left is correct, but typos are easy to make. Asterisk event not firing asterisk. Asterisk check your load and unload functions are registered correctly asterisk ensure add mod event listener, load, and add mod event listener, unload, are present and correctly call your load and unload functions. Asterisk UI conflicts asterisk some UI elements in the game might be capturing mouse events before your script. This is a common problem when you want to react to mouse clicks on the map while the map controls also use mouse clicks. In such cases, you may need to create your own UI layer or find a way to override the existing UI's behavior, which can be complex. Asterisk nil values asterisk ensure the arguments passed to your event handler functions, example x, y, are not nil before using them. Add checks like asterisk scope issues asterisk make sure your event handler functions, example on left mouse button click, are defined in the correct scope so they are accessible when add input event is called. The example above uses local function making them only visible inside that file/block. For more complex mods with multiple files, you might need to use global variables carefully or define the functions within a shared table/module. Asterisk performance asterisk handling mouse underscore move events can be performance intensive, especially if you're doing complex calculations in the handler. Optimize your code and avoid unnecessary operations. Consider using a timer to limit the frequency of processing mouse movement data. Asterisk device conflicts asterisk you may have multiple input devices connected. If you are getting unexpected behavior, it might be related to the order the devices were plugged in, or some conflict with drivers. Testing with only a keyboard and mouse connected can eliminate one possibility. Asterisk keyboard mouse requirement asterisk when using add input event, including keyboard mouse as the third argument is important to specify which input devices to receive events from. Omitting this will not get you the desired effect. 4. Advanced examples and techniques. Asterisk dragging and dropping asterisk. This example demonstrates a simple dragging implementation. It uses a dragging flag to track whether the left mouse button is currently being held down. Asterisk hit testing, raycasting. A common task is to determine which object in the game world the mouse is pointing at. This involves raycasting from the camera through the mouse cursor. The Giants engine provides functions for this, but it's a more advanced topic requiring knowledge of scene graph manipulation. You'll typically use functions like g_scenegraph.raycast to perform the raycast. Asterisk context-specific mouse handling asterisk. You might want to handle mouse events differently depending on the context, example whether the player is in the main menu, in the vehicle, or walking around. Use a state machine or flags to track the current context and enable/disable or modify the behavior of your mouse event handlers accordingly. Asterisk coordinate conversion asterisk the X and Y coordinates received from mouse events are screen coordinates. You may need to convert these coordinates to world coordinates or UI element coordinates depending on your needs. 5. Debugging tips. Asterisk print statements asterisk use print statements liberally to track the flow of execution, the values of variables, and the arguments passed to your event handlers. Asterisk Giants Engine Console asterisk check the Giants Engine console for error messages or warnings. These can often provide clues about the cause of problems. Asterisk Lua Debugger asterisk if you're using an IDE with Lua debugging support, you can set breakpoints in your code and step through the execution to see what's happening. 6. Complete example, interactive cube, conceptual. This is a more complete example showing how to interact with a 3D cube. It requires basic knowledge of creating shapes and modifying nodes in the Giants editor. 1. Create a cube in Giants Editor * Create a cube in your map or mod. Give it a unique name, example interactive cube. 2. Lua script, interactive cube.lua. Explanation * 1. Find the cube * the load function finds the cube node by its name, interactive cube, using g_scenograph.findNode. 2. Raycasting * the on left mouse button click function performs a raycast from the camera through the mouse cursor. g_scenograph.raycast is used for this. 3. Node comparison * the raycast returns the node that was hit. The code checks if this node is the cube node. 4. Rotation toggle * if the cube was clicked, the rotating flag is toggled. 5. Update function * called every frame by add-tick callback. It rotates the cube around the y-axis if rotating is true. Important notes *. Camera position and rotation * the g_current mission get XML camera position, and g_current mission get XML camera rotation, functions are used to get the camera's position and orientation. These might be different depending on the game version or modding environment. Raycast parameters * the parameters of the g_scenograph.raycast function are important. Experiment with them to adjust the raycast distance and mask. Root node * g_current mission.root node represents the root node of the scene graph. 7. Final thoughts. Handling mouse events in the Giants engine with Lua is a powerful way to create interactive and engaging mods. By understanding the basics, addressing common issues, and experimenting with advanced techniques, you can bring your creative ideas to life. Remember to always test your code thoroughly and consult the Giants engine documentation and community forums, like the Giants Software Forum, for further assistance. Always unload events. This is a detailed guide, but there are many variations and possibilities. Feel free to ask more specific questions as you encounter them. Good luck with your modding endeavors.